Hi, welcome to another Crypto.com app tutorial. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to add fund on your Crypto.com Visa Card. By the way, if you haven't registered on Crypto.com app, check video description for the sign up link and get $25 bonus in CRO when you stake for a Ruby card or above. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Crypto.com app. Then tap on card. Here, you will see your available balance on your card and the fiat currencies you can use. Right now, they support Singapore dollar, euro, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, British pound, Hong Kong dollar, and United States dollar. To add fund on your Crypto.com Visa card, click on Top Up. Right now, I have two options: to top up via crypto wallet or credit card. In some cases, you can use your fiat wallet if you have the money on it. To use your credit card, tap here. Below, you will see added cards. If you haven't set up your card, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Input your card information. Please note you will see a 10 cents authorization hold appear on your statement. You won't be charged. For MasterCard holders, Crypto.com app can only process crypto purchase if your card is issued in these countries: Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Canada, etc. However, if you want to add fund using your cryptocurrencies, then you select Crypto Wallet. For this option, you can use Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, and more. Here are the list of tokens you can use to top up your card. More crypto options will be added in the future. In my case, I will use my XRP or Ripple to add money on my Crypto.com Visa card. Input the amount you want to top up. Once decided, click on Top Up. Here's my top up details. It comes with 0% fee, which I really like. It's so convenient. Once you're good with it, click on Confirm. Awesome, I've successfully topped up my Crypto.com Visa card in just few seconds. Then, just refresh the page for it to reflect on the balance. In case you went overseas and want to use different currency, just click on Exchange. Here, you can swap money to a different fiat currency easily. Just input the amount you want to exchange and just click on Sell. That's how you add money on your Crypto.com Visa card easily with your cryptocurrencies or credit card. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Crypto.com tutorials. See you on my next video.